Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair using the Revlon Colorsilk in the shade black or 10, whichever you want to refer it to. And this is the outcome. It is so black and it is gorgeous. Like, my hair feels amazing. Like, do you see that shine? It is so beautiful. It covers really, really well. The only bad thing I have to say about this color is that it has PPD in it, and my head started itching immediately, and it didn't go away. Like, I had to wait for 30 minutes, like, trying to itch my head. That's the only bad thing I have to say about this. This used to be my go-to hair color back in the day, and I would use it constantly. And then they came out with buttercream and I loved it. And then they changed their formula recently and now it's not as dark. And so I just kind of stopped using Revlon. And then I had someone request this, not the buttercream one, but just like the Revlon Colorsilk, and they're like, you gotta try it. It's so dark, it's so black, you're gonna love it. And I do. Like, I love it. I see tints of blue. I don't know if the camera, yeah, like, you see that? I see tints of blue. That is amazing. Like, this, I only did a black instead of a blue black, but I see tints of blue, and that looks bomb. Like, I love it. This is definitely a good bang for your buck because it's only $2.95, I believe, like $3 with tax for one box. So if you need more than one and you need like 2 boxes like I use, you're only paying like $6-7. It's unbelievable, and your hair feels amazing because I think they redid this formula and added keratin in it now, and I can feel it. It is amazing. My hair feels so incredibly soft and smooth, and it's so shiny. Like, you see that shine? It's amazing. It feels good. It looks good. It smells good. It's just, it's amazing. And for the price, this is affordable for anyone on a budget who's just like, I can't afford to pay $10 a box, and I need like 2 or 3 depending on how long and thick your hair is. You're only gonna pay like $10 for like 3 boxes. It's insane, but it's amazing all at once. But if you do have a PPD allergy or you're sensitive to that, kind of steer clear. Like I said, I used to use this all the time before knowing what PPD was, and just kind of figured, you know, my head itches like this. It just itches and itches and itches. Maybe that's just what hair color is supposed to do. Because that's its process, but it's really not. Now that I know that, like, now that I know that itching is not technically a part of the whole, like, processing hair color, like, it's not supposed to happen. Now that I know, like, what to look for, I won't go back to the Colorsilk, but if I have to, this is amazing. Like, the color outcome and how dark it is and how my hair feels amazing. Like, I definitely will go back on a pinch. Like, if my favorite drugstore one isn't available, I will go back to this. Despite the fact that I have that allergy, it's just incredible. Like, it's amazing. It's just, it covers all my whites, and it covered the old color that I had very well. I was kind of scared about that because it was a powder color, and I wasn't 100% sure if it was gonna like ruin my hair or ruin any chances of recoloring it, but it did, and it did a really great job, and my hair feels amazing, and it looks so shiny and healthy that I definitely give this brand a thumbs up. I definitely love it. It's so great. So yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. It's so great. It's so shiny. It's so affordable for like anyone. Yeah, just so good. And it doesn't have like a bad smell either. Like, it smells so good. My hair still smells like it, and it doesn't even smell like hair color. Like, I don't even smell my shampoo or conditioner. I just smell whatever perfumey stuff is in it, and it smells really good. Yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna stop babbling about this. I mean, you can see for yourself that it just looks amazing, and it's so dark. Yeah, hopefully it lasts just as long. We'll see. But I'm super happy with it. If there's any other colors out there that you want me to try, if I can find it, I will definitely buy it and try it and let you guys see the results afterwards. So yeah, just let me know in the comments below, and I will see what I can do about finding it. There's a few that I haven't been able to find, and I've been on the lookout for the Olea Blue Black, because they just came out with that, and I have not been able to find it anywhere from Walmart to Target, or on the website. It's been sold out. So I've been on the lookout, and then there was like another one from One and Only, or Nice and Easy One and Only, or something like that, and Blue Black as well, and I haven't been able to find that one either. And I think there was one more, but I can't remember which one it is. But if there's any other ones that you want me to try, just leave it down below, and I will do my best to find it and try it and let you guys know what my thoughts are on it. And even though that this color has PPD in it, it is just gorgeous. It's beautiful, and I really like it. I really like how it turned out. Like I said, I probably won't use it again unless I'm like in a pinch and the hair color that I normally use, the Schwarzkopf All Time, if that's not available in that one or in the keratin color, I will definitely come back to this one, because I mean, look how gorgeous it is. It makes my hair feel so good. So anyways, have a great day, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.